How to disable save messages for 24 hours on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Snapchat and then you need to head over to the chat in the bottom. So press and hold on the chat and you need to tap on chat and notification settings. And now you can see delete chats 24 hours after viewing. Tap on it and now you can set it to after viewing. And that's it. That's how you disable save messages for 24 hours on Snapchat. Or if you want, you can also change it to never. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.